Okay, so tonight we're gonna do a little surf and turf. We got a whitetail doe backstrap from I think our lease out in Fredericksburg. We got a redfish on the half shell from our trip down to the bayou last weekend. And so we're gonna smoke the fish for about 2 hours at 220. We're gonna sear the backstrap and then smoke it for about an hour at 220, and they should be done around the same time. So we'll get back with y'all here after. All right. We'll do a little oil. The oil is gonna act as a binder, keep all the seasonings on. Just rub it in. And then for the fish, we're gonna do a salt, garlic, lemon pepper. And we will be adding butter halfway through the smoke. So now on the backstrap, we're just gonna do a light salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of rosemary. Put that in, flip it over, we'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so we got the camshaft rolling at 220. On high smoke. We're gonna put the redfish on first. Put it on there for about 2 hours. We'll come back out. We're gonna sear the backstrap inside and then place it on the smoker in about an hour and let it cook out. So this should all be done around 7. I do that side a little less. That looks good. We're gonna put it on the smoker for as long as we need.